All right, so hey, welcome back to Randy Son's Kitchen. Here with Toby and Cindy White, and we're making a California roll with his fresh yellowfin tuna that he caught in Laredo, right?
Well, these were Yellowtail, and they're
Yellowtail.
part of the amberjack family, so they're not a tuna, but they are still very good, and they are one of my favorite fish to eat and to catch.
So basically, a California roll is crab, cucumber, and avocado in the center. And then what we'll do is we'll flip this over here in a minute, and I'll show you. But you want to spread the rice out. And this is short grain Japanese rice. You wash it really good so it doesn't get too sticky, but it's still pretty sticky. And I have to keep my hands wet to keep the rice from sticking to my hands. But once I have the rice down, then what I can do is put on some sesame seeds, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this bad boy.
Oh, wow, that looks so technical.
Yeah.
Good job.
And then I'm going to spread this crab, and this is fresh crab. Now you can use imitation crab if you want. A lot of people do, and that's pretty much the common ingredient. It's just crab with a little bit of mayonnaise and salt. So you want to get it all the way to the end. And then you want to use a cucumber. Well, let's use... And then you want to use some avocado. And I just use a butter knife and just scrape this, scoop it out of the avocado. It's pretty easy. Now, the thing with this is, and I'm not an expert by any means, you want to...
Hey, Randy, that one avocado there all the way to the right, let's pull it out of there. It's got a little black on it. That's right.
This
Yeah,
one.
let's get rid of it.
All right. I got good eye. Yeah, these avocados, we're in Lewiston, Idaho, so, you get what you get. Let me put one more in there. There we go.
Excelente.
You gotta improvise, right?
Oh, that's so good, Randy-san.
So we're going to talk about rolling.
And then you want to press and you want to roll. You want to get this down. And press.
I see you got some cellophane over the bamboo. That helps,
Yeah,
huh?
that helps the rice from not sticking to the bamboo.
Yummy.
Oh,
And there, you folks, there is your perfect California roll.
Oh, yeah.